Hello everyone, welcome to the RS Fitness Tips. Today in this video we will talk about keeping fit, body and mind. The body is your temple. Keep it pure and clean for the soul to reside in. Well said by BKS Iyengar. Full name is Belur Krishnamacharya Sundararaja Iyengar, better known as BKS Iyengar, was the founder of the style of yoga as exercise and known as one of the most famous yoga teachers in the world. Keep the mind calm is necessary for complete well-being. Meditation is an effective way of acquiring mental peace. Keep in mind few tips for proper meditation. Let's see. Find a quiet place. The fewer distraction you have, the easier it will be to concentrate. Close your eyes. The idea is to shut the outside world so that your brain can keep actively processing information coming from the senses. Find a word, phrase or mantra that means something to you, whose sound and rhythm is soothing when repeated. Say it again and again. Meditation is a valuable skill. Practice it and soon it will become a very healthy habit. Now we will learn about Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. Is a complete series of postures. It is a very good exercise which takes only a few minutes to do and serves as a warm-up routine before the practice of yoga asana. However, you must do the steps gently as any jerk can give you a sprain or cramp. Surya Namaskar consists of a sequence of 12 postures performed continuously and combined with synchronized breathing. Each position counteracts the preceding one, producing a balance between the anterior or posterior movements of the body and limbs. Let us now watch carefully each and every posture of Surya Namaskar. It starts with the first position, that is Namaskar or salute. Stand erect with feet together and join the palms in the center of the chest in the style of Indian salute and inhale. Then exhale and push the hands down, straightening and lowering the arms until the elbows touch the sides. This standing pose is also known as Tadasana. Number 2. Chandrasana. Crescent moon pose. Inhale and raise the arms above the head and extend the spine backwards, arching the back from the waist and moving the hips forward. Let the eyes follow the hands while relaxing your neck. Number 3. Hastapada Asana. Bending pose. Begin to exhale bending forward from the waist and place the hands on the floor besides each foot. Relax with your head and neck in a bending pose. Followed by number 4 position, Surya Darshan. Sun gaze. Inhale and putting your weight on the hands, stretch the right leg behind like a stick resting on the toes. Bend the knee and place it on the floor with your weight on the left foot and arc the spine backward. Lift the head and neck first up and then back. Roll the eyes up. The left foot remains between the hands. Number 5. Himalayan Mountain Pose. Exhale and bring the left foot back in line with the right. Lift the hips up high like a mountain. Push the heels and head down and look at the toes with the head down between the arms. Number 6 is Shashtanga Dandavat. Lie down. Put the knees down first and then bring the chest down. See that 8 parts of the body are touching the floor, including 2 feet, 2 knees, 2 hands, the chest and the chin or forehead. Shashtanga means 8 limbs and Dandavata means paying homage by touching the floor. Number 7 is Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Lower the pelvis and abdomen to the floor. Inhale and stretch the toes on the floor. Raise your head slowly up. Arch the spine and neck and look up. Keep your legs together and the elbows alongside the body, slightly bent, and keep the shoulders down. Number 8 is Parvatasana. Exhale and wiggle your toes forward, allowing your feet to rest on the soles while you raise the hips. Number 9 is Surya Darshan. Inhale and bring the right foot forward. Lift the head and neck first up, then back, and assume pose number 4 as before. Now slowly and gradually come to the previous positions. Hastapada Asana. Exhale and bring the right foot forward. Relax with your head and neck in a bending pose. Followed by the Chandrasana. Inhale and stretch up in a standing pose with your arms up and bend backwards like the pose number 2. And finally, come to the Namaskara position. Exhale and stand erect, bringing the hands back to the center of the chest with palms together. These 12 exercises are one round of Surya Namaskar. In the second round, stretch the left leg behind in Surya Darshan. It is practiced to increase agility and stamina. Surya Namaskar's sequence of postures is scientific as it completes the circuit within the body. Let us once again recapitulate the positions of Surya Namaskar. We will wrap up today with the famous Spanish proverb, "A man too busy to take care of his health is like a mechanic too busy to take care of his tools."